chanter, to sing. Le verbe chanter is a regular ER verb, so it follows a simple conjugation pattern. To conjugate chanter in the present tense, remove the final ER from the infinitive form of the verb. For example, chanter becomes chante. Add the appropriate ending according to the person. The endings are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Now let's conjugate the verb chanter. Le verbe chanter au présent. Je chante. I sing or I am singing. Tu chantes. You sing or you are singing. Il chante. He sings or he is singing. Elle chante. She sings or she is singing. Nous chantons. We sing or we are singing. Vous chantez. You sing or you are singing. Ils chantent. They sing or they are singing. Elles chantent. They sing or they are singing. Exemple. Je chante bien. I sing well. Elle chante à l'opéra. She sings at the opera. Tu veux chanter une chanson. You want to sing a song.